This is how to make $105 in only 30 minutes using faith-based screen printed transfers. First, you're going to purchase 10 of our prayer faith-based screen printed transfers for $1 each in our TikTok shop. Next, you're going to purchase 10 assorted Gildan t-shirts for $35, also available in our TikTok shop. Now you're going to take the screen printed transfers and you're going to center them 3 inches below the collar, and you can do this easily by using 3 fingers. After placement, you're going to follow the directions that come with it, and you're going to press each transfer for 10 seconds on 325 degrees. Make sure you're using firm pressure to make sure that the transfer sticks to the t-shirt. Then once you're done pressing, you're going to peel the transfer immediately while it's hot so it don't stick to the garment. And it will take you a total of 30 minutes or less to press 10 shirts. And you could charge $15 a shirt, while materials only cost you a total of $45. And this particular niche is in high demand.